Ever faced a situation where your computed radiography CR system won't turn on, or you're having image quality issues? Well, you're not alone. These are common challenges faced by professionals in the field of radiography. This video will guide you through a series of troubleshooting steps to help you rectify these issues. Firstly, if your system won't power up, begin by inspecting all power cables and connections from the power source to the CR system. Ensure they are securely connected and undamaged. Also, verify the power switch on the CR system is in the on position. Some systems may have additional safety switches or key locks, so do not overlook these. If all else fails, examine the fuses within the system for signs of damage and replace any blown fuses with ones of the correct rating. Now, if you're experiencing image quality issues, there are a few steps to be taken. For blurry images, inspect the imaging plate. Scratches or damage on the imaging plate can cause blurriness, so it's important to handle plates carefully and store them properly to prevent physical damage. If the images have low contrast, use the control panel to adjust the contrast settings. Make sure that imaging plates are properly erased before reused to prevent residual images affecting contrast. In case of artifacts on images, regularly clean imaging plates and the CR reader's optics. Also, inspect imaging plates for foreign objects that might affect image quality. Overexposed or underexposed images can be a result of incorrect exposure settings. Use the CR system's control panel to adjust these settings and check the X-ray generator to ensure it is functioning correctly. Software malfunctions can often be resolved by restarting the system and any associated software. Also, check for updates provided by the manufacturer and install them to ensure the software is running the latest stable version. Regular calibration of the system according to the manufacturer's recommendations is also advisable. In case of reader malfunctions, inspect and clean the transport system that moves imaging plates through the reader. Check for any signs of wear or malfunction on the reader's mechanical parts. Connectivity issues are often resolved by inspecting all network cables and connections and rebooting routers, switches, and any other network equipment. Verify that the CR system's network settings are correctly configured. For any error messages, note them down and consult the system manual for a list of error codes and possible solutions. If error messages persist, contact the system manufacturer's technical support. Lastly, remember to perform regular calibration checks to ensure accurate image results and follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Clean and maintain the CR reader's internal components regularly. Also, monitor and calibrate radiation dose settings to avoid dose-related issues. In conclusion, troubleshooting a CR system might seem daunting, but with careful observation and a systematic approach, most issues can be resolved. Just remember, when in doubt, always consult the manufacturer's manual or technical support.